Introducing the Everything Bags, a daily bag that replaces all your other bags. We are Moment, and we've designed a lot of bags. Outdoor packs, travel packs, fanny slings, mini slings, film bags, laptop bags, lens pouches, filter pouches, cross-shoulder bags, totes, and even some wallets. We also own a lot of bags, really too many bags, each doing a few things well, but none of them doing everything well. So we wanted to change that with the Everything Bag. It's a daily bag that does everything exceptionally well. It carries everything, it goes everywhere, it keeps everything safe with our waterproof materials, our custom foam designs, and our special padding placed just in the right places. It contours to your body and is comfortable to wear even when it's full. It looks really, really good, like really good. Plus, it comes in every size, 28 liter, 21 liter, 17 liter, and there's a tote as well. And best of all, it's not overpriced. All right, guys, so if you've heard enough already, be sure to smash that pledge button and get a bag before we sell out. We do have limited initial quantities, so be sure to be the first to back this project. On our bags, you're gonna get up to 25% off. On our camera bundles, you're gonna get up to 40% off retail. And on our add-on accessories, you're gonna get up to 40% off. So if you're trying to stock up, now's kind of the time to do it. Let's walk you through the bags and the details we've worked on over the last year in making this product, which I think is one of the best bags we've ever made. Let's check it out. This is Jordan. He's one of the product designers at Moment, and he's gonna help break down the bags.
I'm going to walk you through the Moment 17 liter Everything Bag. This is the smallest one in our range. This is a great size bag for going out just everyday kind of activities. Like the rest of the Moment family, it's made from our new material, which is a 420D micro ripstop. So what's really great about this material, we've actually got a full dull yarn finish, which makes it super durable, water resistant. Obviously you won't be jumping into a pool with this, but for getting caught out in the rain or any spillages, leakages at the cafe or whatever, this is going to be perfect for that. We've got our water bottle holder, which is an adjustable, expandable holder that'll take full-size Nalgene bottle, and it should most other water bottles. For the straps, we've reworked to have this S shape, which basically contours around your shoulder for a better fit. All right, let's take a look on the inside. So keep it open so that you have more flexibility with being able to stuff it with whatever you want. Have one internal pocket up the front, so you can easily open the main pocket, just grab a couple of items with a charging cord, or maybe snacks if you're out hiking. If you're going to be using this as a camera backpack, we have our 4 liter cube, and so we have the anchor points on the inside of the bag. Yeah, so you can have the camera cube either open or shut. Having it open means that you basically have an easy access for when you're shooting to pop the side open, have access to your camera equipment, super easy, and then protect it when you want to. On the back side, to a laptop compartment, we have storage for stationery, pens, pencils, extra cables, and that's a 17 liter bag. So this size is perfect for on the go every day. As an overnight bag, it's going to give you a little bit more volume compared to our 17 liter, so you'll be able to fit everything you need for an overnight mission. So on the outside, we've got our adjustable water bottle pocket. Flip on the other side. What we've really reworked with this bag is the shape of the straps. It's going to flow better over your shoulders and around the side of your body, and this is more of a unisex fit, just adding more comfort for everyday wear. We have a permanently attached sternum strap, which is adjustable along the pipe, so you can move it up and down. New to this bag is luggage pass-through. So we've got a nylon webbing that will allow you to attach it to a roller bag with a larger handle. So on the front, we got the side access pocket. Your wallet, your keys, anything that you want to get in and out a lot. The main pocket is nice and open, so this just means that you can pack it out however you want, whether that's for your clothes for an overnight mission, and if you're using it as a photography bag. So we've got these attachment points for our 4 liter camera insert, which basically allows you to attach using hooks on the camera insert. You can open that up, slide it in, attach it in there. And what that allows you to do is use the camera insert as a side access. So if you're on the go shooting, you want to dip in, grab a battery, or change camera bodies, you've just got that access there, and turns it into a fully functioning camera bag, which is really nice. We've got 2 pockets. One lower one is perfect for either keeping a large laptop charger or your iPad. And then a dedicated laptop pocket which will fit 14 to 16 inch laptops. When your laptop's in there, if you've got a full bag, you're not going to get tightness along the front of the laptop or pushing in on the front surface of your laptop causing damage. And that's our 21 litre bag. Alright, so we got the Moment 28 litre everything bag. This is new to our lineup. This is the largest in the family, and it's perfect for weekends away or anytime that you need a lot more packing space. Like the rest of our family, it's made out of the 420D micro ripstop, light rain, showers, spillages in the cafe. It's going to handle that. We've reworked our bottle pocket, so it's got more space. Almost any size bottle, a full-size Nalgene is going to fit in there. We've paid a lot of attention to reworking the straps, so it's a lot more comfortable for all-day wear. It's also more of a unisex fit. Adjustable sternum strap, which is also removable. On the 28 litre, we've also got a thicker luggage pass-through strap, so that'll fit through hard-shell luggage cases that you can attach it to the top and slide that through. New with the 28 litre backpack that we're really excited about is the addition of this extra zipper that runs all the way towards the back panel. And basically that turns the bag into a clamshell style opening. Gives you the option to fill it out like a piece of luggage. So we actually got extra foam on the side panels, which gives it more structure, so it holds its shape and gives you that deep luggage style surface to work with. So you chuck it on your bed, roll your clothes up, it's just much easier to organize. And then you've got 2 really large pockets on the side, so you've got underwear, socks, any small items that you want to keep a little bit more organized, and then a 3rd pocket on the base as well. So this is just a super handy way of making it easier for that weekend style mission where you're going to have 1 or 2 days worth of clothing. So the main one up the top is that 3/4 zip, which allows you to access any internal pockets, but also gives you this big main compartment where you can stuff it exactly how you want. So that makes it really easy and multi-purpose for clothes, using it as more of a luggage backpack, or if you're going to be using it as a photography setup. We've also got the attachment points, which fits with our 4 litre camera insert. This actually fits our larger size 8 litre insert. You can fit a full camera body with 100 to 200 mil lens attached, and you've got extra space for 2-3 other lenses, batteries, or a full drone setup. We've got 2 slots, either for like a notebook or your iPad, and then a dedicated laptop sleeve, which we've reworked and added extra padding, so this will fit 14 to 16 inch laptop, no problem. Looking good. That's the Moment 28 litre everything bag. This is the Moment 19 litre everything tote. This is one of our best sellers for good reason. It's just a really great daily driver tote. Whether you're using it as a photography tote, it's a great way to conceal your gear without screaming that you're carrying photography gear. With a padded bottom, padded sides, it's going to give you protection for keeping your rig in there. It'll also easily fit our 4 litre camera insert, just creating a really nice concealed everyday photo carry setup. On the outside, we've got 1 magnetic pocket just for keeping keys or anything you want to access really quickly. On the other side, we have just an invisible zip pocket, similar kind of thing. Keep anything handy that you want that's not in the main compartment. Pockets on the inside, we've got 2 stretch pockets, 1 main zip pocket, and then at the end, we've got 2 stretch pockets for bottles. What's new with this version compared to our previous generations of the tote that we're really excited about is this origami divider, and this attaches against the wall, allowing you to divide 2/3, 1/3, or you can open it up and have it divided into thirds. That just gives you an added level of compartmentalization. The other thing that we've added is now going to come with a shoulder strap, and that basically just connects at both ends, and having the diagonal attachment points disperses the load. Basically just allows you to either sling it over your shoulder or fully over as like more of a messenger style, and that is the 19 litre everything tote. So this is the Moment everything bag lineup: 28 litre, 21 litre, 17 litre. We're super excited. This is the best bag we've ever made, and we can't wait to see you on Kickstarter.